Good for you, I guess you moved on really easily. You found a new girl and it only took a couple weeks. Remember when you said that you wanted to give me the world? Good for you, I guess that you've been working on yourself. I guess that therapist I found for you, she really helped. Now you can be a better man for your brand new girl. Good for you, you look happy and healthy, and I mean, if you ever cared to ask. Good for you, you're doing great out there without me, baby. God, I wish that I could do that. I lost my mind, I spent the night crying on the floor of my bathroom. You're so unaffected, I really don't get it. I guess good for you. Good for you. Good for you, I guess you're getting everything you want. Your body, your car, and photos really taking off. It's like we never even happened, baby. Tell me what is up with that. Good for you, it's like you never even met me. Remember when you swore to God I was the only person who ever got you? Well, screw that and screw you. You will never have to.